Hey there, it's Lindsay from Repurpose and Upcycle, and I want to show you how to make an easy DIY boot rack. Just look at the mess in my mudroom. What I've decided to do is use this wall to create a DIY boot rack to create a little more organization in this space. The first thing you're going to do is tape off where you want the boot rack. This is a great way to go ahead and measure out how big it's going to be and how it's going to fit in the area. Next, you're going to measure how wide you need the dowels to sit. Once you've measured out the width, grab your dowels and paint them if you want to. I am using a quick and easy spray paint. Next, grab the board you're going to use. You can use any board. You can use a 2x4. I am choosing to use the same type of board I have on the wall next to it, just to create continuity of the decor. Grab a stud finder and find the stud on the wall. This is real important so you don't put a dowel on top of where you need to screw into the stud. Grab a few pairs of boots and measure where you need the dowels to sit. Once you've measured and marked, you can go ahead and take your screws and drill them through the wood, but don't drill them all the way. We'll save that for the next step. Take a drill bit and pre-drill a hole on the center of the end of each dowel rod. Now you're going to take your dowel rod, position it in the center of the screw, and now you're going to drill the screw the rest of the way through to attach the dowel to the board. Once the dowels are on the board, attach the boot rack to the wall and you are almost finished. One little trick, I put the screw in the stud and then I level and I put 2 different screws on each side. Now for the fun part, put your boots on your boot rack, make sure they fit, make sure they're secure, and sit back and enjoy your new easy DIY boot rack. I hope you found this video useful and it'd be simple for you to turn around and create your own boot rack. I love the functionality of it, not to mention how it matches the look of the rest of my mudroom. Thanks for watching, guys.